Forget the guidebooks. We're going off the map. A whirlwind tour of the world's most incredible, uncharted places. Ready? Let's go. First, we plunge into darkness. Welcome to the glowing blue caves of Vadari. Here, the walls themselves are alive, painted with the light of 1,000,000 tiny organisms. It's a subterranean galaxy. The water is cool and impossibly clear, reflecting a universe beneath your feet. Every ripple sends shimmers of electric blue dancing across the volcanic rock. This isn't just a cave, it's a living, breathing spectacle of nature's magic. Next, we chase the sun into the wind-carved orange canyons of Myra. For centuries, the desert winds have sculpted these passages, creating corridors of stone that feel otherworldly. Hike through one of these slots and you'll swear you're walking on Mars. The light filters down in golden shafts, illuminating the rich red rock and revealing layers of geological time. It's a silent, powerful place that reminds you just how small we are. Our final jump takes us high above the streets to the rooftop tea markets of Loma. As the sun sets, the city comes alive in a different way. The air is thick with the aroma of cardamom and mint. It's spicy, sweet, and impossibly local. Here, stories are traded over steaming glasses of chai. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and flavors, a truly authentic connection to the heart of a city. But the journey isn't over. We glide through the silent, icy fjords of Svelgard, then lose ourselves in the neon haze of the Kailun Night Bazaar. We'll walk across the lunar landscape of the Salar de Crystalline and trek the canopy bridges of the Amara rainforest, high above the jungle floor. Ride the cliffside railway in coastal Allura, where the tracks hang between mountain and sea. Stand on the sky plateaus of Tenzing with a sea of clouds at your feet. And as night falls, we'll paddle the glowing lagoons of Isla Lumina. This is what it means to truly travel. It's not about the things you buy, but the moments that take your breath away. So pack your curiosity. Be ready to get a little lost. Go out there and collect stories, not souvenirs. Because the best map is your own heart, and the greatest destinations are the ones that change you. Your next adventure is waiting.